Hello everyone. If you're looking for ways to present your information in a more immersive and captivating way, then look no more. I'm thrilled to introduce you this 3D hologram device, which is very easy to make, and the best part is that this technology brings image to life, that too right before your eyes. For this, all you need is some cardboard, an OHP sheet, and a mobile phone or a tablet. Here I've used a tablet considering the classroom size to project bigger images, but a mobile phone would work just fine. Since we all know that light travels in a straight line, but when it comes in contact with a mirroring object, it reflects the light, which appears to us in a 3D form. As you can see, when projected, these 3D hologram devices create a lifelike images that appears to float in the air. Here, as you can see, the 3D image of the earth, providing a sense of depth and dimension. It's a great way to engage the students in the teaching learning process, where they could explore their imagination and the content in a creative and interesting way, providing them with an experience that they would never forget. Thank you.